Is 1.375 the same as 1 and 38? The answer is yes. This is decimal number, this is mixed number. Decimal number has two parts. This is whole number part and this is fractional part. We can rewrite this. You can convert this portion, decimal portion of this decimal number into p by q form. So 1 plus, so to convert this decimal to fraction, you need numerator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. We have 3 digits after decimal, so I have written here 310. Now, simplify this fraction. So, how to do that? If you want to simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. Here this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 2. So if we do so, I will get 2 and I will get what? 375 divided by 5. 5 goes into 37, 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times, so 75. Again, this. So if you divide this 75 by 5, you will get 15, and if you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. Again, this is divisible by 5, you will get 3. This is divisible by, you will get 2. So basically you are getting 3 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Okay. So 1 plus 3 over 8. If you combine, then you are getting this. This is mixed number, whole number, fractional part. So this and this is the same.